Welcome to the Chic Show. My name is Marla. Get ready to witness a craft room transformation like never before. I'm about to dive deep into every nook and cranny to clean up this space and share some epic storage tips with you. So sit back, relax, and let's get this tidying party started. Today's video is part of a playlist hosted by Indie Annie Jones called Cleanapalooza. Be sure and check out her channel and the playlist listed in the description box below. This cabinet is from Lowe's. Dollar Tree bins hold all of my wood items. So I'm going to go through all of these things and I'm going to put like pieces together. So rectangle pieces, short square pieces, box frames, that sort of thing. Much more organized. I probably need to label each shelf so that I know where to find things. I admittedly have a bit of a container addiction. I do prefer grouping similar items together in corresponding containers. Here I'm transferring glass pieces into identical glass jars. Here's a look at my shelves and how I have them organized. I used some of the white bins from Dollar Tree on the bottom of the shelves to mimic drawers. To my ultimate craft table. I bought this table at Goodwill for $35. It's perfect for keeping all of my frequently used craft items nearby. My paint brushes are from a container I found in the school supply section, and the wire bins are from a local thrift shop. These cans on clearance at Dollar General, and now I'm excited to give them a makeover. With a coat of spray paint, they'll look as good as new and fit into my colorful space. My husband installed some hooks on my craft table for my craft paper, but I don't always need a huge sheet. I'm always cutting bits and pieces off of it. So I went to throw away a foil roll and thought maybe I could use it for smaller pieces left on my roll, and it worked perfectly. I secured Dollar Tree pegboards to my cart using zip ties, and I utilized hooks to wrangle all the cords. The rolling cart not only holds my hot tools, but also projects I'm working on. I can just wheel it over to my workspace when I need it. Added some command hooks in other places to hold various items like poster boards, stickers, and stencils. Even a few previous projects. I store some of my stencils in these clear pouches from Dollar Tree. I just use a hole punch to punch a hole at the top, and then I hang them on my hooks. I used one of these utility racks and a dowel rod or a toilet plunger from Dollar Tree. So this is a $2 to $3 project. I used a saw and cut the two ends off, and then I used scissors to cut through the plastic backing part. Now I'm going to turn them upright as shown here, and I'm going to use the dowel rod or the toilet plunger and place it inside the rack. The toilet plunger is actually thick enough that it doesn't move around, but if you use a dowel rod that's smaller than this, I would add on a wood piece like this. These are these little rounds from Dollar Tree, and that will keep it from sliding out. Now I'm adding some S-hooks that I got from Dollar General in the garden section. Sometimes they have white, sometimes they have black. You can also use these shower curtain rings as well. This is my gallery wall, but I'm making a change to that today. Instead of holding artwork, it's going to hold record covers. I started with some of these wood planks from Dollar Tree and some Scrabble tile holders that I thrifted. I'm going to be cutting each of these in half. I'm also going to be using some of these Jenga pieces that I thrifted. Using Tight Bond glue, I'm going to attach these two pieces together as shown here. Once those are dry, I'm going to be using the same glue and I'm going to attach the planks to the back of the first piece. I'm going to continue this for all 9 pieces. Once everything has had a chance to dry, I'm going to be using Fusion Paint Encasement. Paint each piece with 2 coats. Now that they're all dry, they're ready to be hung, but I'm going to need some kind of hanging mechanism, so I'm going to be using some sawtooth hangers. Instead of using nails, I decided to use hot glue to attach them to the back because the planks are very thin. I have hung my pieces on the wall, and now I'm going to add my record albums. I just looked through all my albums and found some that matched the aesthetic of my craft room. And I ended up only hanging 6 of them for now, but I may add the other 3 above later. So there you have it, 10 spectacular tips to keep your craft room in tip-top shape. If any of these gems have been helpful, let me know in the comments below. And guess what? You're in for a sweet treat because there are more awesome tips and tricks that will help you keep your space spick and span in the playlist below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and share the chic with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye now.